Here is a step-by-step action plan for implementing the concepts from 4-Hour Work Week by Timothy Ferriss tailored for you. Step 1. Define your goals. The first step in implementing the 4-Hour Work Week is to clearly define your goals. This includes both your short-term and long-term goals, as well as your financial and lifestyle goals. Step 2. Eliminate time wasters. The next step is to identify and eliminate activities that do not align with your goals. This includes activities such as watching TV, browsing the internet, and engaging in other forms of procrastination. Step 3. Automate your income. One of the key principles of the 4-Hour Work Week is to create a business or income stream that can be automated or outsourced. This could include creating an e-commerce store, writing an e-book, or building a dropshipping business. If you're finding this video helpful, please consider giving it a like. This helps to increase visibility on YouTube, allowing others to benefit from it as well. Thank you and enjoy the remainder of the video. Step 4. Outsource and delegate. The next step is to outsource and delegate as many tasks as possible. This can include hiring virtual assistants, using automation tools, and outsourcing tasks to freelancers or contractors. Step 5. Optimize your location. The 4-Hour Work Week also emphasizes the importance of optimizing your location. This can include working from a remote location, such as a coffee shop or co-working space, or even working from a different country. Step 6. Take mini retirements. Finally, the 4-Hour Work Week encourages taking mini retirements or extended breaks from work in order to recharge and refresh. This can include taking a month-long vacation, traveling to a new location, or even taking a sabbatical. We appreciate you watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it. To receive notifications of similar videos in the future, we suggest subscribing to our channel. Remember, progress requires action, and we created these videos to make it easy for you to take action.